Science and logic are not the only spheres in which our reason shows itself. We seek for the causes of things, but we also seek for their meaning. We have moral values, aesthetic tastes, yearnings and aspirations, which, for want of a better word, we call spiritual. Such things are not irrational, even if we find it difficult to provide a scientific foundation for them. Indeed, it is only a rational being who experiences the world in this way, in terms of meanings, values, tastes and aspirations, and who feels, as a result, the tension between his life and his ideals. There is nothing irrational in this. On the contrary, not to feel it is to be only half alive to the human condition. Isn't it plausible to think that it is precisely this aspirational side of people that draws them to religion? As rational beings, we cannot be satisfied with causal explanations only. The question why has for us another meaning. Not what is the cause, but what is the reason. For what end does this or that exist? It's precisely religion which addresses the question what life is for, as opposed to what caused it. As rational beings, we look for meanings, connections, harmonies and symmetries. We want the world to make sense to us and to answer our questions not merely in the way the laws of nature answer the inquiries of a scientist, but in the way that the laws of harmony answer the aspirations of a musician. Our reason overreaches the bounds of science, and this is not a deficiency in our reason, but a deficiency in science. Moreover, as rational beings, we make an absolute distinction between right and wrong, good and evil, virtue and vice, and we found our lives on the belief that some things are intrinsically worthwhile and to be pursued for their own sake. Not pleasure only, but love, duty, virtue and kindness. We can't mount a deductive or scientific argument in favour of those values.
The Atom Project.